Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing well. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing healthy red sauce pasta, in which I'll be using whole wheat pasta in the shape of usually. You can use any pasta shape that you like, but make sure you're using whole wheat, which is easily available near your grocery marts, and I hope you get it easily. And I'll be using 1.5 cup of usually pasta, which is whole wheat, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs including oregano and seasoning salt. You can use normal cooking salt also. And for the veggies, I have chopped in about 1/4 cup of red bell pepper. You can use yellow also. And for the mushrooms, I'm taking 1 cup of mushrooms and 1 cup of broccoli. You can add in more veggies also if you like. And we'll be grinding fresh black pepper, and this is red sauce that I'll be using, and I have freshly made it. You can find its recipe on my channel, and I'll give you in the description box also. So avoid using bottled red sauce. Try to make it at home. It's really very simple. Now I have taken 6 cups of water, and I've dropped in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we'll wait till it gets heated, and then putting in our pasta and dropping in 1 tablespoon of salt, mixing everything well. And now we'll be cooking pasta. So it's getting boiled now. This pasta takes about 6 minutes, and I'm not sure which pasta you'll be using. So if you want to know whether it's cooked, try using this little tip by pressing it between your fingers, and you'll know whether your pasta is ready or not. In another pot, I have taken 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and we'll wait till it gets heated. And once it's heated, we'll drop all the veggies that we have chopped. You can add in more veggies also if you like. This is as per my liking. Mixing everything well for about 2 to 3 minutes, sauteing them well. And once it is done, then dropping in the seasoning salt, mixed herbs, and the freshly made red sauce for this particular pasta. Mixing everything well now, and we'll cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. On high flame you can do it, or on medium flame as per your wish. Now we'll be putting in our freshly boiled pasta. Don't boil pasta before, and use freshly boiled pasta only. That will give you a very nice flavor. Now grinding the black pepper. Use freshly crushed black pepper only. Now mixing everything well, and your pasta is ready. So here you go, your pasta is ready. I'll be garnishing it with very low fat Parmesan cheese. This is just for picture purposes. If you don't like it, don't put it, because this is healthy pasta. You need not add cheese in it. I'm already giving you a disclaimer. So I really hope that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment, and hit like to this video.